friends, I am Shashi Tharan, your numerologist and Vastu expert. Once again, welcome you to my channel Occult Action. Today, under Vastu series, I have brought for you a very informative subject: where to fix the mirror in your house. First of all, mirror means it is the looking mirror. Mainly, we use to see the reflection of our face and not the transparent glass sheet being fixed on the windows, doors, etc. Friends, you might have seen in jewelry shop, gymnasiums, etc. big mirrors are fixed mainly in the opposite wall from the entrance. It gives an impression of a huge showroom. In other words, we feel that the room is extended to a huge hall. This is the principle or logic behind to select the lucky position of the mirror in our house. It means wherever or whichever wall you fix the mirror, it results an extension of the particular direction. Normally in our house we may be having mirror almost all the rooms. Whichever is the room, the best location for fixing the mirror is the northeast wall of the room, so that the mirror shows an extension of that direction. Extension of northeast direction will always give you all round prosperity, as the location of Lord Shiva, the Ishan Cone. This will help to improve the educational career of the children, prosperity on business, promotion on your job, respect in the society, wealth, good health, peace and harmony for a total overall success of your family. Suppose if you do not have a wall in the northeast direction, the next best direction is the wall on north direction. Of course, it helps the extension of north direction. As per Vastu, extension of north direction is also very good. As you are aware, the lord of north direction is Kuber, the god of wealth or money. So, if you fix the mirror in this direction, it helps to improve the money flow in your house. Suppose if some of your money is blocked in the form of a loan, clearance of bills, client fees, etc., it will get cleared automatically. By fixing the mirror in the wall of north direction, the career or business, specifically the male member or head of the family, will be highly benefited. The next location for fixing the mirror is on the wall of east direction. It shows an extension of eastern direction. Any extension on this direction also beneficial to the entire family members. Yes, east is the location of Indradev. It provides better relationship between the family members, specifically husband and wife. Kids' education will prosper and all-round social status of the family will improve. Health condition of all family members also will be excellent on extension of east direction by fixing the mirror. Of course, friends, there is a myth in fixing the mirror around here, even in certain YouTube channels also. That is, if you fix the mirror in these pure directions, the reflection of the mirror will be opposite impure direction. So they think it's bad. It's not correct. As per Vastu, on the wall wherever we fix the mirror, only that direction is found as extended. As the extension of northeast, north and east directions are beneficial to the people living in. This system is correct and all other beliefs are simply a myth. Okay friends, now let us see which are the locations we should not fix the mirror. we should never fix the mirror on the walls at southwest direction, the Nartyakon. Then south, then southeast, the Agnikon. Because as per Vastu, these directions are not to be extended. If you extend by fixing the mirror on the walls of southwest and south, it will adversely affect the strength and stability of the family. It will affect the career or business of the head of the family. There can be some health issues related to his legs, ankles, knees, etc., or even hips problems can also be developed. And if you keep the mirror on the southeast wall, it results the extension of southeast direction, the Agnikon. This will adversely affect the career and health of middle-aged son and also health-related issues with the elderly ladies. So, strictly do not fix the mirror on the walls of southeast direction. So friends, that's all for today. Very soon I'll be back with such Vastu-related informative videos. Friends, as you are aware, I am a well-experienced professional numerologist and Vastu expert. If you have any Vastu or numerological related issues, you may contact me in this number. I assure you that I can resolve your problems in a professional way with very minimal charges. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell button, like and share it so that it will help to reach all our videos to you automatically. You can also write your doubts and questions in my comments box so that I can give you suitable clarifications. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. Keep in touch. Good luck, take care and stay always like a winner.